What's up guys, my name is Razor Shepherd and welcome to today's video. It's not a normal video at all, nothing I've ever made like this before. Today I'm doing a bit of speed gardening, I like to call it. Yep, bye bye camera, hello sunlight, hello grass, hello trailer, hello wheelbarrow, hello me. Woohoo! Anyway, I'm doing some speed gardening today. Right now I'm sifting through a massive pile of dirt with a gardening fork, getting heaps of sticks, roots, other stuff out like that. It's quite an interesting time. This process took me like 20 minutes, probably. If you see any black thing, that probably sounds really bad. If you see anything fly in front of the camera, it's probably a fly. Completely disregard what I said about a black thing because that really doesn't sound good at all. Anyway, right now I still have a gardening fork, but I'm sifting under it, so it picks up the entire bit of pile I've put the gardening fork under, picks up all the sticks and roots and stuff like that, so I can move it to the side. Because, I don't really think you want roots and sticks in a garden. That no good. But it looked really good by the end there. Like halfway, actually, the camera's already fallen over. So at this point, you can't see the entire garden. That's not my fault. I mean, it is, but whatever. Anyway, now I still have the gardening fork. It's probably called a pitchfork, but anyway. Soon you'll see me do a very useless. I do have a shovel now. There we go. Don't worry. Completely disregard what I was just about to say. I'm now shoveling the dirt into the wheelbarrow right by my side. That gets a very tall mountain of dirt on it. See? And you'd think it would be heavy to move, but you'd think wrong. Very, very wrong. My voice is retarded. Anyway, now I do assure you that this video was made before 10 a.m., which if you're in Australia is quite important because we're in water restrictions now because we pretty much have no water and you have to water before 10 a.m. or after 4 p.m. and I guarantee and can inform you that this video was indeed made before 10 a.m. So I've watered at the appropriate times. This gardening bit just it looks really weird. It looks like a Minecraft person, kind of. Not with like the actual person, not like me, but like the legs in the part a couple seconds ago, and I was just moving in a straight line. That was hilarious. Anyway, yeah, this video was definitely created before 10 a.m. If I keep repeating it, it's going to sound like a lie, but it's not a lie. Right now I'm taking dirt from the wheelbarrow and lining the garden with it, putting it around the plants, providing some protection from the sun because that dirt is quite dry. In another few minutes you'll see me, well, not another few minutes, this video's only 5 minutes long. In a bit you'll see me disappear for like a couple seconds. That's because I'm doing the part of the garden that you can't see because the camera fell over, and when I put it back up, I didn't put it back up right. But yeah. Now that pile that's still in the trailer there, that's pretty much all sticks, leaves, roots, stuff like that. Pretty much just around half of that entire trailer was sticks and stuff like that. And there I go. Bye bye human. Now I'm doing the side of the garden that you can't see, which I probably should have made sure you could see it when I picked the camera back up. But I was a little bit too busy to do that. There goes the car, that went past really quick, probably 300 kilometers an hour, no jokes. And I'm back. Now I'm doing some raking because I apparently missed a lot. Now I'm shoveling some back into the garden that I just raked. No, I don't know what I was doing just then. And there goes a bird. And camera had a skits. And I'm back. That's the hose reel thingy. And I'm now watering the garden. Well, I've never watched someone watering a garden in time-lapse before. This is great. Yeah, anyway, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Australian Speed Gardening. I will talk to you in the next time. Make sure you watch all of my videos. Make sure you like them all. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. All that good stuff. Yeah, anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!